Aquarius. The Emperor, upside down. We'll talk about it. Coming in hot on that intro, so you're welcome. See you in a second. Bye. Oh, yes, full moon in the Leo, and boom, you're welcome. We're wearing them because it feels correct. Here we are at the Open Jar Studios. We are listening to our Uranus and our Mars because they are trying to change everything. So lean into that right now. Lean into the change, surrender to it, allow it to happen. There's a reason why it will always work out. Okay, here's what's happening. Almost pulled out my fringe. Leo moon, Aquarius sun, directly opposite each other. Leo moon is at 9, Aquarius sun is at 9, right next to Jupiter, also at 9. This is huge. This is like a choir. This is like a big, big, big choir of angels saying, Leo sun, this is what inspires you. Deep, 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 deep down into your subconscious, this is what is part of your being, part of what makes you so uniquely beautiful, part of what connects you to spirit. Jupiter above, next to the Aquarius, says we are expanding your possibility with the collective. So what this choir is saying, this is your gift to the collective. Oh, yeah, I know. It's a great time. The other heavy hitters of this moment are Venus and Pluto. The reason why I'm wearing this today is because I looked at this chart and I was gooped and gagged by the Venus-Pluto, both at 25 degrees right next to each other. That was the very first thing that my mind went to. And when I often think of Pluto as like the Persephone journey, and Venus is obviously a huge player in that, obvi. Venus being values, love, tangibility, sex, coin, the actual dollar. Pluto being divine transformation, surrender, explosion. How can you surrender to transforming your values? How can you surrender to being grounded within what you're gonna bring for spring? How can you surrender to the journey? So, that is what we are going... Come on now. That is what we are going to talk to the cards about today. We're going to ask, what can I, Persephone journey down, with the concrete specificity of finding my unique inspiration for the collective. Casual, right? Okay. Enjoy. The Emperor upside down. I'm very sure that you are feeling all sorts of bull brashness. You're feeling all sorts of energies. You are feeling all sorts of brava. Like, just like you're gently humming. You have so much in Aquarius right now. You have your Saturn, you have the Sun, you have Jupiter, you have Mercury, you have your expression, you have expansion, you have a spirit, you have authority. Finally, it's your time, boo-boos. You've been strugs. We've been strug bus. I felt it. There's been a lot of expectations. You really want this COVID gig to be over. You really want it to be done. You want to just have your party and be with your people. But here's the thing. Hashtag change. The world needs to change. Uranus is doing a lot of work right now. Your Saturn is saying, no, we don't need to change anything. And Uranus is like, hello, how dare you? Yeah. It's big. It's a big time. It's a big time. And to have so much brightness above in your conscious, and to have so much brightness below with Leo, the moments is internal inspiration and divine focus, authoritative focus, spiritual focus, expansive focus, expressive focus. Don't get complacent. Don't get complacent with the boldness. Don't take this time for granted. It would be so easy for you to say, I don't have to do the work right now. I'm cute, I'm fine. I have all of these energies with me. Listen to your Leo. It wants to inspire you. When you listen to your Leo, divine balance, you will feel, you will understand the balance between your moon and your sun. I want you to watch your moon video as well. This will help with balance. Whatever your moon sign is, go watch that video as well. And your patterns are done. You do not need to pattern anymore. If you continue to pattern, you will stay in your complacency. When you allow your focus to be both internal and external, that's when you truly find your authentic authority. You want to think the bigness of this tree here has the boldness of these roots. It goes all the way. That's just fun. We're not climbing the mountain with our peeps yet. This is isolation work. Yes, you have so much energy right now. You have so much that right now with contrasting energies. You have so many different places that you could put your focus, right? Stay focused on you. Don't be focused on other people. Stay focused on your work, on what it means for you to be an emperor, on what it means for you to be holistic with what you are offering the collective. Authentic, 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 authentic. Authentic, 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 authentic. You are not the collective. You are unique within the collective. Lean on Uranus to help identify what your Marsian purpose is. I'm here if you want to do a reading. Oh man, I missed. Ooh, we did it. We just did 4 hours of filming. Thank you for that energy. Thank you for watching the vid. So here's what's happening. I was talking about this in the Pisces video. That thing that you've been sitting on, that thing that you've been worried about putting out there, that thing that you've been like, that was downloaded, that you're like, oh, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do that. Stop talking about it and do it. It's time. Make the announcement, call the person, send the email, do it. Utilize the change. Utilize the Mars-Uranian change for positivity. Don't fight it. Yesterday, I did it. I've been talking about these things for so long, and I just like sat down and did it. And I almost threw up after I did it. I started a fan, I guess it's a fan page on Facebook, Paul Flanagan, @SensiblePaul. All of my readings and stuff are gonna go there. You obviously are there because that's how you saw this. I'm starting a Patreon. So if you want exclusive content, I've been filming some exclusive stuff and recording some exclusive meditative bike rides. Exclusive meditative bike rides. I've been recording some bike rides, and that content will be on the Patreon. So follow me there. I'm gonna do one tier to start and then we're gonna grow. So hashtag affordable, but go over to the Patreon at SensiblePaul. And then, the one that I almost threw up about, I am starting an OnlyFans. This is going to be a spiritual-based OnlyFans. DM me if you want more details on that. It's time. Here's the big opportunity here. With the inspiration center of the Leo moon, we have an opportunity to clock into what our personal mission statement is. I realized recently that my personal mission statement is to be an advocate for holistic authenticity. Yep. That means that I am advocating for all of it. So, moving forward, that's what we are going to do. Last Saturday, we had the workshop, Process Manifest Workshop. I'm doing it again on the 30th. If you would like to attend the workshop, DM me. I have an artist discount. I'll tell you all about it. It was so profoundly beautiful. I'm so thankful to all who attended. Please join me. We talk about all the things. I have some videos down below in my feeds. So, you are loved. You are beautiful. You are not alone. You are seen. I am here for you. Let me know if you want to come to the workshop. If you want help figuring out what your mission statement is, the workshop would be perfect for you. Don't let money stop you. Okay? We'll figure it out. These are hard times, but not that hard. Bye.